folks, RobinClayton here with another episode of Zodicatthefarm. at the Farm. It's so great to have you here today. I hope your week is going great. My week is going really well. But anyways, I had a friend of mine respond to one of my videos with regards to the ability to use this Ryobi drill press to cut through clay pots. And so it was just another way for me to go ahead and make another video on different types of glass that I use with this drill press. So I hope you'll stay with me because I'm going to give you some tips on how to cut different types of glass using my Ryobi 12-inch drill press. Okay, let's move on to cutting. Okay, all right, before I get started on this clay pot, I'm gonna go ahead and just put some indicators with a magic marker on where I'm gonna put the holes. So I think I'm gonna do 4 holes, maybe 5 for this particular clay piece. All right, try and go ahead and get this where it sits correctly. Okay, so I need to adjust this. Take this down just a little bit, just like that. You're gonna have to try and hold it as stable as you possibly can, okay? So, because we want to come in at a very flush level, so that's why I'm trying to build this support here so that it's, it sits properly. All right, so I think we're ready to go. I've got my gloves, I've got my light here, and I've got my safety goggles, and Edie, we are ready to go. So just gonna put a little water over the top there, and I'm gonna go ahead and make sure we're good here. So here we go. Clay like it did. Okay, so it's a perfect hole there. Now this is actually the size of the bit that I'm using. You could make those holes smaller, but I'm going to keep going. But I just wanted to show you how simple it is to create some holes in a clay pot for orchids just by using this drill press. All right, so here I go again. I'm gonna go on the other side, put a little bit of water down, turn on my press, go ahead and bring it straight down, and just go slow. Straight through. Turn this off. Take off all that excess there. And a lot of clay comes out. There's another hole right there. Okay, perfectly done. All right, so let's put one right here. Okay, so same thing. Just gonna put a little bit of water there. Turn my press on. Straight down. That comes off of these. All right, and I believe it was that one, but I'll show you. There's one there and one there, and I think I'll put the final one right here. Okay, you see how simple this is? This is very simple. Take it slow. Allow the drill bit to be pulled. Okay, so this is all rinsed off now, and as you can see, all the holes that are here. And now I can put an orchid in this, which will allow it to breathe much better. So there is an example of cutting holes in the side of a clay pot. All right, I'm gonna move on. Go ahead and just put some random holes in this one as well. Okay, so I'm just simply, I think I may just sit it right like that. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get it centered. This piece out of the way here, like that, and align this directly. Oops. And I mean, I could magic marker this, but I'm doing this as a video based on one of my subscribers who had a question. She's also a friend of mine who had a question about drilling holes using this glass bit to cut clay. So that's why I'm doing this video, and also for all of you, all right, because I do appreciate and love all my subscribers, and I hope you're getting something from the channel. All right, ready to go here. Gonna go ahead and turn this on. This one took a little bit longer simply because this clay was a little bit newer than this other clay pot. This is a newer version. So. Anyways, okay, there's one hole. I'm gonna go ahead and do another one here on the back side, and all I'm doing is turning it over. I just add just a little tinge of water just to soften up that clay sediment. You're going to have to stick down slowly, no need to apply a lot of pressure at all. But you're letting the drill bit do the work for you. Okay, so here we go there with that hole, and there's a hole there. Okay, so these are two examples of cutting the clay for your garden. You can create many of these little tower, or aerating holes, if you will. All right, so I hope you've enjoyed that. Okay, I've got this little lemon glass piece that I'm going to cut the top out of. The center's already marked by the manufacturer. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and cut right through the center there. All right, so I'm going to just keep this little piece of stump of wood here because that's going to help me with the glass. And I'm going to put a little bit of water here and go ahead and turn the press on. Still got remnants of those clay pots. Okay, let me go ahead and I'm probably going to hold on. Let me go ahead and elevate this now back up to where it needs to be. Y'all are having a wonderful day, I really do. Move this out of the way. Okay, everybody, here is the cleaned up version of this particular hole. All right, so that came out very well. All right, and I'm going to do something really special with this, and I'm excited about showing it to you. But anyways, okay, this is just a plain piece of glass that we've cut, and it came out very nice. All right, and then this is a little ceramic bird feeder that I got from the dollar store, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the bottom of this. All right, so let me go ahead and mark it. A little bit of water there, and go ahead and get started. Through that glass. That is ceramic in nature. Okay, really good. And there we have it. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and recap on all of the different pieces that we've cut today. All right, so I've taken just a basic terracotta planter that I went ahead and put two exterior holes in so you can create more airflow for the plants. I believe this did come with an orchid at one time. All right, and then for Edie, I went ahead and used my diamond tip drill bit to go ahead and show you how to cut through these terracottas so that you can get more airflow depending upon what type of plant you're actually using in these. But these smaller ones I generally use for my orchids, my baby orchids. Okay, and then I've just got this lemon dish that I put a hole through the center for because I'm going to make something special with this for the channel. And then this is just a dollar store ceramic bird feeder, and I just went ahead and put a hole straight there in the bottom. All right. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please hit the like button, the share button, and the subscribe button. And I hope you've enjoyed this particular episode. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below. You can also email me at zodicatthefarm@gmail.com, and I look forward to seeing you next week here at Zodicatthefarm. Have a great day. Take care.